Most people think weight gain is about willpower. I used to believe that too, until I discovered this gelatin trick. What shocked me wasn't the scale at first. It was how my body stopped fighting me. After a few days of using this simple ritual, my cravings dropped hard. Late night hunger? Gone. That constant urge to snack between meals? Gone. And I wasn't doing anything extreme. No fasting, no exhausting workouts, no clean eating rules, just 1 spoon a day. Here's the part nobody talks about. When your gut is inflamed, your body holds onto fat as protection. Fix the gut, and the fat loss starts happening naturally. That's exactly what this ritual targets. It's based on a single, old-school ingredient that's been sitting in kitchens for decades, just used in a way most people were never taught. My digestion felt smoother, my stomach felt flatter, and my clothes started fitting better faster than I expected. If you want to see the exact way people are using this, including timing, tap the pinned comment now. This is one of those things you try once and immediately understand why it works.